Having some trees around your house might make individuals' homes look even more attractive. They might place greater than just a solitary type of trees to add even more visual to the aesthetic of their house. However, unfortunately, there will usually be times when these individuals have nothing else option however to remove the trees they have been dealing with for quite an extended period. This might happen due to several factors. There are times when trees might obtain rotten. There are also times when trees are going to pass away. Looking for the best tree services? Call us now. 602-671-022 beaverstreeserviceaz.com